In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim the tuition tax credit using TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in TurboTax, what to enter, and how to make sure you're getting the education credit you qualify for. First, gather your education documents. You'll want your Form 1098-T from your school, plus any tuition receipts and receipts for required course materials like books, lab supplies, or online access codes. If you received scholarships or grants, have those details handy too. Most students get a 1098-T electronically through their school portal or by mail. It lists qualified education expenses and any scholarships the school processed. Keeping everything in one place now will save time and reduce errors later. Next, open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser and sign into your account. From your tax home dashboard, open your current return or start a new one if you haven't begun. If you're new to TurboTax and haven't started your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin entering your education information. Inside your return, head to the federal section, then choose Deductions and Credits. Scroll until you find the education area. Look for Expenses and Scholarships, which references Form 1098-T, and select Start or Update. This takes you to the interview screens designed specifically for education benefits. Now enter the information from your Form 1098-T exactly as it appears. Pay special attention to the amounts in each box and the school's EEN. TurboTax will ask follow-up questions about tuition you paid, scholarships or grants you received, and the timing of those payments. Accuracy matters here because the software uses this data to calculate whether you qualify for a credit and how much. If you had eligible costs that don't show up on your 1098-T, like required textbooks, supplies, or course materials, enter those when prompted. Only include items that were required for enrollment or attendance. Keeping your receipts makes this step straightforward. After you've entered everything, TurboTax will evaluate your situation and determine whether the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit is best for you. It will automatically compute the credit amount, maximizing your benefit based on the rules for your income, student status, and expenses. Finally, review the education credit summary carefully. Make sure the school information, dollar amounts, and any scholarship details are correct. When everything looks good, continue through the remaining filing steps to finish your return. That's it. You've entered your education information and let TurboTax do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.